Hey y'all, welcome back for another Vlogmas video. Today we are doing a natural hairstyle. This is gonna be very much vlog style type thing. I am gonna film it for Instagram, so if you want a more polished version of the tutorial, it'll be over there on my Instagram. But I'm starting off with blow dried hair, and we are gonna do the wave formers. So I've never done wave formers before, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so these are the wave formers, and yeah, we're gonna put these in our head. The product I'm gonna use is the Donna's Recipe. I don't know if y'all can see that. The Donna's Recipe vanilla cream, whipped vanilla cream curl defining mousse. So that's what we're gonna use, and hopefully it comes out cute. I may use a little leave-in conditioner. So I'll either use my Sacred one or this Donna's Recipe one. I don't know yet. Or I could use like maybe this with the dew, so it can have a nice firm hold. Cause I know this is very moisturizing. It's not like giving I'll hold you down. So maybe I'll do this in the dew. This is how we start in. I'm gonna watch Netflix and do this. It is currently 11:08 p.m. For some reason, I be most productive in the nighttime, and I gotta do better, but here we are. So I'm watching It Ends With Us on Netflix, and it's starting to get good. So I'm about to watch that and then figure out how to put these in my head. So you basically just put this rod together and push it through the wave former, and you hook the base of your hair around it, and then you basically just thread your hair through the wave former. So it took me a few tries to get this first one, but once you apply a little bit of tension to your hair, you can pull it straight on through with no problem. Now, as you can see, Houston, we got a problem. Okay, it looks like I have made a grave mistake already. These aren't long enough. Excuse me? It's literally like 3 inches of hair that's not in here, and my hair is all the way at the end. So I just put some metal clips right here to kind of hold the roots down a little bit, I guess. But baby, I don't know how this is gonna turn out, because not my hair long. And I need to get the longer one, so I guess I'm gonna have to do this video again on my channel after Vlogmas with the long ones, but we gonna see what we can do with this. Okay, as I'm looking at this shot right here, it really actually has shown me like your girl hair done got kind of long. So since the wave formers weren't long enough for my hair, I was trying not to put any foam mousse past where the wave former would be, because I didn't want my stretched out roots to start curling back up and stuff. So that was my mindset behind this. I know, looking a hot mess, looking like I done grown out my hair or something and just got some squigglies on the end. It's reminding me of I don't know, a child show or something. I feel like there was some kind of TV show with someone who had noodle looking hair like this. But anyway, this is what my hair was looking like as I finished off the wave formers. Looking, again, a bit crazy, but I needed to make something shake for Vlogmas, so here you go. Okay, y'all, that didn't take long at all to install these, but like I said, you can obviously see these are not long enough for my hair, so I just kind of put some duckbill clips in towards the root, and I think I may have to like try and tie it down with a scarf or something so it's flat and then the waves start. I don't know, but we gonna try that, and I'm gonna sit under the hooded dryer for one episode of this show that I'm watching. Then I do think I am gonna sleep in these. They don't feel like they'll be hard to sleep in at all because they're very lightweight. They're not on my scalp, so there's no tension there. So yeah, we're gonna try it and see what it's giving. Okay, it is now 12:30 a.m. I've sat under the dryer for one episode of No Good Deed, which is probably about 40 minutes or so. I'm gonna figure out how to wrap this, go to bed, and get up and take them out and see what it looks like. Good morning, y'all. I'm looking at Hot Mess. It is now almost 9 o'clock, so these have been in since, what, 1 a.m. I put my little turban on because I was trying to keep my roots flat because y'all know these not long enough. So I put my turban on top of this scarf, so hopefully the roots are giving flat. Okay, the roots are giving flat. Okay. I don't know whether or not I should start with the back. I don't know whether or not I should start in the back or in the front. It's squiggling. Okay, this is what we looking like. Is it giving hot mess? Where do we go from here? Do we fluff it? Do we separate? Just combed out my hair a little bit, and this is the finished look. I don't think it looks like as terrible once you pick it out. And I think it has the potential to look cute. I definitely need to get the ones that are the full length or longer length because these were not long enough for my hair. I only used one pack and I still had some left over. So yeah, I need to get the longer ones because clearly your girl got a little bit of hang time, y'all. Oh, that brings us to today's giveaway. Comment hashtag hang time if you guys want to enter today's giveaway. Also, just a quick update about the giveaways, baby. You got 24 hours to claim your prize, and if you don't claim it, I gotta select somebody else so I can make sure we keeping the days moving. Okay, so shout out to y'all who enter in the giveaway, and I look forward to selecting the winner. And yeah, like, I don't think the hair looks terrible. I think I could go out the house like this if need be. Some of my ends look a little cringe because a little bit of my natural hair texture is showing up, and it wasn't like flat when they were in these little tubes. But other than that, I don't think it looks super terrible. I definitely think it's something that I could work with and maybe work on perfecting it. But y'all let me know in the comment section below if you would try this hairstyle. As always, be kind, be true, and be you. Tifo. Love y'all. Bye.